Deep in the mountains, hidden for over 40 years, I found something nobody was supposed to find again.
The paint crumbled under my fingers like chalk. She hadn't been touched in decades.
The seeds had cleaned up. 40 years of moisture had done what time always does. Rock sanding is where you feel the paint. Every high spot, every low point, your hands tell you everything. Every line of paint, each vertical, one of the starts off with 40 years frozen. 10 seconds of heat. She gave it up. Two polyurethane bushings, pressed in by hand on the hydraulic press. Perfect fit, cleaned up every time. Every piece of garbage. Black stays in the lows. Gray appears at the highs. The panel tells you exactly what it needs.
Epoxy primer, the foundation of everything. Get this wrong and the paint fails. Get it right, she lasts forever.
400 grit. Wet, slow circle. This is the last thing between primer and paint. It has to be perfect. The white went on. 40 years, just disappeared. Clear coat builds the gap. Coat by coat. The surface goes from black to mirror. Watch the drops arrive. Cutting compound first. The pad spins slow. The swirl disappears one pass at a time. Patience is everything here. Wipe the compound away, and there it is. Pure mirror. Not a single swirl left behind. The wheel went back on, centered perfectly. That click when the horn button seated Boney, one of the best sounds in restoration. Every clip, every snap. The door panel came back on exactly the way it came off, 40 years later. The roof equipment went back exactly where it came from, bolt by bolt. The silhouette coming back. New white wall tires. Dress slow. The black goes deep and the white goes bright. Classic 1959 style. The engine bay dressed out clean. Every hose new. Every surface painted. A 390 cubic inch V8 Pro, ready to run again.
Look at that front end, the chrome, the white, the way the light hits every surface.
She was born in 1959 and reborn today.
The full-size 19 feet of 1959 Cadillac, every inch restored.